In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox error 268, alright? So let's say you try to log in into your account and it just says error code 268 and you don't know how you guys can fix it. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, what you want to do is restart your computer. Because sometimes simply by restarting your computer, it fixes the problem, so do that. And even after restarting your computer, if your problem is still not fixed, what you want to do is click on where it says this little, Microsoft button, right click on it. Once you do that, it's going to give you all this option. From all this option, go on apps and feature. And on apps and feature over here, where it says, search the list, click on it and write Roblox. Once you see Roblox, click on it and you can see the uninstall option. Click on it to uninstall Roblox. Once you uninstall Roblox, click on uninstall to confirm it. What you want to do is you want to go to this website called Roblox download. Once you search for Roblox download, click on Roblox download and over here click on download now to download Roblox for yourself. Once you do that, it'll download. Once it downloads, install Roblox and then try to open your account and the code error which says 268 should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, the other thing you can do is simply open your browser and on your browser just go to roblox.com because Roblox you can also play it on browser. So if you can't play it on a PC, you can go on browser, log in into your account and play Roblox over there. So it's as simple as that to fix a problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide and bye bye.